racer, and that's amazing. We can do anything. That shit was mind blowing. Better than sex. No. Not better than sex, but that shit was fucking amazing. That shit was fucking crazy. I ain't never done no shit like that in my life. Look at these motherfuckers. I was in this shit. Look. Look at the tire. That's how fast. That's how fast. Shredded. Fucking tires. Oh, this is life.
You ever wonder what's inside your fucking tires? There you go. That's your answer. Fucking metal wires.
In a matter of minutes.
Yep.
In the matter of minutes.
That's exciting, isn't it?
Hell yeah, it is. Hell yeah, it is.